damn, what's good YouTube? Is your boy Face with another video after a very very long time. I haven't been creating like vlogs and stuff like that. But anyways, I've been down, I've been like down. But anyways, I'm up now, like I never left. So today is like a very last year today it was a very tragic day for me. But anyways, today I wanna go to the cemetery or the cemetery. So in cemetery, whatever it is. So we about to like go. It's actually today. Actually, it marks 1 year, of my friend's cousin. Anyways, it's been hard and stuff like that, but it's good. So I finna like we finna go. Me and my friends right here. We finna go to where he was laid. Like and just go there to kind of like see. I don't know like what people do there, but you just have to go there. You know. So join me as I go with my friends to see him or to see where he's laid. I just can't get the fact that he's no more. Even if it's like 1 year after. But anyways, it is what it is, and we finna do what we supposed to do. And I never imagined to see the first video after some time, the first vlog after some time that I'm gonna make is this type of video. You know. Oh yeah, Overlooking chin them, but that one is that tiny, that tiny. Some bit. Na yawe lapha. Ezopho. Naboni lapha la. Sikono no. Na yawe la nje. Jokazala na ngwazi ungwele. Mina ngesikhathi. Lapho uzithola ndoda vele sensithi la mana ngifika la zokunye. Wathi ngaxoxa wena ngathi ngichabe yamanga ngithele ngathi selili wena wazi ngeke wena ngibone kufanana naye nandoda ngama athi wena oba kwathi ibizo lakho kuthiwa wathi aqalisela khona awatshela ngathi sosite ayikho letho bakho sos ngifuna ukubona i-management wena usebenza kwaphala very good manje usihlale emakhandeni shop ana ngihlanje shop yes po because urojiwe akakwazi and ube ngekho aware of ukuthi umuntu orojwayo yo azinto ezibambisana ngenze so this is how we do it. This is the way we anyway, embrace where you are and be comfortable where you are. So we are embracing where we are and this is how we live. Which number Turkey? But anyway, it's keeping in Zimbabwe, right? So ngana ngakwanisi ku so some days I some my motor. Umuntu manje kade lokhuza ade chinga lesithi left 10 years. That's ubone so lapha meza senzeni but kathesi sesibala laba sesibalela kathesi either way vele into oyenzayo akukunika ngani lakithi akulanto iyasinika yona labangibo except for ubuhlungu obvious. But khathesi even imibuzo yethu le vele izahlala ingekho answered. So kumele sihlale siku-peace with khona lokho esinakho. But singazisoli mhlawumbe like sisizwe ubuhlungu because of into ayenzayo. Yabo? Me, I forgive you, bro. Me, I forgive and angisoze like ngakuzondela. Angisoze ngakuzondela for what you did and everything like that. But qhubeka usibhekelela and I know ukuthi lapho khona sikhangele and you're always with us. Yabo? So even nokubuya emaphupheni, you came many times emaphupheni, but xa ungasibizi lapho khona we still have izinto eziningi. Kubuhlungu bro, like kubuhlungu nje. We still have izinto eziningi to accomplish as namaphupho. And please futhi shana roshoti. Shana roshoti. It's not fine. Like wazikhethela wena indlela yakho. Wazikhethela. Exactly, bro. Wayenza yena into awucabanga nje futhi like awumenzanga. Sine khange anti yabo. Yes, ayithanda ukuthi banilaxaze. Ngalutho ninzi izinto eziselayo mfana. But vela what you did wawungekho right mfana. But okunye meze uchiyane impilo zethu lathi sileze impilo zokuphila. Asikuzona soze sakukhohlwa. Yabo? Soze sakukhohlwa. Into vele soze siyenze. Sahlala sikukhumbula each and every day. Yabo? At least namhla we came on this day lapho owathatha khona impilo yakho. We wish ukuthi ngabe ukhona ngithi la. But anyways, awukho. Yabo? Ngapha I'm trying to vlog. Ngabe kare sikhona nje making fun of me about izinto zinalezi ama-video. Nje ngabe siyahlekana kahle izindaba zama-video and everything like that. But it's my dream by the way. So umbhekelele lo shoti, Thabisi, lo Ninja. Yabo?
Ulale ngoxolo.
Thina we got you, bro. Asikukhohlwanga. Thothi vele thothi wafa uzitshela ukuthi akulamuntu olendaba nawe and stuff, but thina silendaba nawe. That's why sila
Zamisa yonke izinto.
On this day. No,
siyabuya khona ngamadola 1 2 3 4 kumele ngene ngabe antu ngabe yaphila ngaleso sikhathi wasuda le-3
good.
Okungiyamanye amadola
Sebenze sibuyele futhi. Exactly. Akhumbula andilawo ayibona. Ngishoti chaphela mina umfazi wami uyangona. Mina umfazi wami uyangokwabo ababuyele. Hayi, alukho lokho ekangakwenzi. Khona lokho ekangakwenzi. Usidla imali yakho uthe mina umfazi wami ngithengele i-yogurt nama-ice cream. Uthe umfazi wami vele uyangona. Sondla thina imali yakho sibuya kithi ndoda. Ngabe yonke into simple. But continue resting in power, boy. We love you and we miss you. Yeah, I guess they always cut out. Yeah. But what if khona lokho yikho? Khona lokho kwenzakalayo. It's what it is. uNkulunkulu wathi singabojaji. Ukubhayiza kakhulu. Njengabe lapho khona. Kakho lethi sesikhule soil 1 year. Bakhala Sengilendevu mfanami. Nakhumula bana sikhompe indevu nje phela wena Holland. Wena Holland. Kana do. Khangela. Mthabisi we. Ene futhi semude kulawo umhlahla. Oba mude kula. Kale izithema vele kuya lesilokhe kungaka. Yabo? Ukuthi emalangeni bamphula inhliziyo bamdlalile. Umbrella yakhe. Uthanda sivula umbrella. Wamnike vele yahlala. Mtshele abuye ezowathatha. Mtshele bathana la. Hlangana ngapha. Eish, kabi yami. I feel happy in my boy. But here we are. We are still broken. We are still broken. We are bringing you flowers. My boy. But some other days I was over not to see. This is not in fun. The corona. We're in fun. Ish. The cutting of us. Right to that. Hey, fun. Apadla wapaiza. 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 Life happens. Flowers phezile. Siko flowers. Flowers indoda le. Daily. Hey. Yonke phezile vele lokho limenemene. Phezile ngasajoli nje udlala abantwana babantu. Sengumbhebheni phezile. Amon phezile sengumbhebheni. Amon self improvement. Ijai do izinto zami kahle. But I think this is alright. Sesimbonile. Sesifikile kuye, so I think lapha khona. 5 April. So sorry, my boy. So I wish you could see us. Do a video for I think la uyabona nje ama-highlights ukuthi into ezibuya uyabona la yami izinanzelele lezi highlights. Mfana nami hayi sesingabanye abantu asisitshintshi. Ungasibona vele ngapha they are cleaning up nice. They are cleaning up nice. La uyazibonela. Kamsho kusekhule njani. Yabona glow mfana. Wamphethe mnandi. Kita sakho lana ayithothi shot ngiyamthanda. Wayeza ubhalani vele. Uzimi nama ngandazi ngizwe isitsheni ngizwe noma mina ngicela ke futhi. Namhla ngithi manje ngingaphost because ngiyaphost. Nami ngiyekele ngabo ngimbona imshebe post. Nambala abaningi ngadama ngaphosti because amanxeba azoba maningi fana.
Khona babengicabanga ngakani ukuthi ngathi ngabona ushoti zepost.
Yazi nami navele ngangifaka i-notification last year yabo like ngafaka ukhalenda yami esefonini. Nani phela la lokho endla. What a day. What a day. Ya at least ngani sokuthe hu Thabisi sokuthe hu. Short sokuthe hu. Manile sokuthe hu. Nah, this is so wrong. It's now better. Yeah. Maybe I just was about. Good. Good. Ngibona wenza ama-clip lawana. Arasu postile bathi.
Mina ngayithola.
Like yonke. Drawing oluthula lalapha lapha.
Wenza ubuhlungu njani?
Sasa ngikhola ngavuka ngela voice.
Umuntu lana yazi ngendlela ashinda ngayo. Washinda wangathiba
Terrible. Just into yababuhlungu nje wonke ukubona singena kumlaba manje before sisuke endlini naso sase
ubona le process yabo
sithola sasisiya wena sithi singena ndisabona oyisi laphana athe ngathi no yiko phela sithi phela base singena ase ngabona ibhokisi mina la indaba ngani
baba manje wabona
mina indaba ngani
mnyama lokhu zelini lothana sebemfake lamabha
mina like mina ngahle ngaqalisa nje omunye umama ndoza ngamuzwe sithi hayi akufana lo kabonanga lo umngakaphuzi ubuhlungu hamba nini liyombona embone kahle adla ngambona ngamkhangela such is life. So I wanna say that I have learned like a lot from this passing of my friend. You see, to like cherish each and everyone around you. You know, it's hard and stuff like that, but it's not like I'm supposed to live my life crying everything apart because he was my very, very close friend. You know, like one of my best friends actually. You know, so wherever he is, my heart is at peace now. My heart is at peace now. You know, so yeah, I really appreciate it. Let's get on with it with our set lives. Just do what we feel like. I feel like getting time, and I want some ice cream as well. I want some ice cream as well. At least it's
Same part of the vlog. Still vlogging. Maybe this is the last part that I'm like usually vlogging, you know. So today was very, I don't know, but it was okay. I feel relaxed. You know. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end my vlog because I wanna do a few errands afterwards. It's actually hard holding the phone without my stick or whatever that is. But anyways, I had a good day and this of the vlog came out the way that I thought it was gonna like come out, you know. So like yeah. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I wanna do a TikTok challenge. It scares me. like to do that kind of stuff. Anybody else says whatever that they say. So peace out. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.